Department of Social Security Administration. The reason you have received this phone call from our department is to inform you that we just suspend your Social Security number because we found some suspicious activity. So if you want to know about this case, just press 1. Thank you.
All right, thought I caught this. This was on my emergency pager cell phone, and got this call. And I had gotten several of these calls on my regular phone. Happened to come in on the emergency phone, and so I thought I'd go ahead and post it here so you guys can see this scam that acts like your Social Security number's been suspended. Pretends to be from the Social Security Administration. Social Security Administration, one, doesn't call people like this, and two, never suspends phone numbers. This can also happen in the form of a letter appearing to be from somebody's bank. So if you get a letter like this saying that your Social Security number has been suspended or anything like that, know that this is a scam to get more information from you. It's kind of similar to other scams like computer virus scams that claim that your computer's been infected, and then you click the button. They want you to click the button. Don't click the button. Don't click any button. But what happens is if you click that, then you get infected. And this is kind of similar to that, a way to get your information through fear. Someone gets afraid, oh no, my Social Security number has been suspended, but don't believe it. It's just a scam to try to intimidate you into giving your information away. So don't give them any information. With this, you can just hang up and ignore it and report it if you're so inclined. I caught this one on video because it came in on an emergency cell phone. So got it. And I thought I'd share that here so no one gets taken by this scam.
Department of Social Security Administration. The reason you have received this phone call from our department is to inform you that we just suspend your Social Security number because we found some suspicious activity. So if you want to know about this case, just press 1. Thank you.
Yeah, and this is a trick to try to use fear to get you to give up your information. So don't be intimidated by the lies. Studying the truth and following truth will help you stay free from any lies that would entangle you.